You can see for today's session I have connected two servers. One is CentOS 7 and another is Red Hat 8. So you can also prepare this type of environment so that you can test properly and learn. So today we will learn about scheduling a process and network clients. One-time job use 80, recurring job cron tab. That means two type of schedule you can schedule in a Linux server. One is 80 and another is cron tab. And using 80, we can schedule a one-time job, and using the cron tab, we can schedule recurring jobs. Root can modify jobs for other users one time per entry line and no limit to the line length. And the fields are minute, hour, day of the month, and day of the week. So using this combination, we can schedule a process. So command line begins with hash. That means if you add a comment with the beginning of a line, it will treat it as a comment, and that line will be not work. So let's create a script. You can see I have already created a script, and the extension is the .sh. You can see using the cat command, it is showing me the contents of the script. You can see here I have added a comment hash symbol before the torch command. That means this torch command will not work, and you can see per line I have defined a command. So using these commands, the task will be complete one by one. So you can, if you go through one by one, here echo welcome to my to Linux eHub. That means it will just echo the welcome to Linux eHub in the display. Then torch command is commented. Then rm-rf text1.txt, it will delete the text file, and then again it will try to the message. What message it will show in the display? It will forward it to the log file. This command we have learned yesterday how to forward the output of the command to the another log file. You can see this is an example. So in script we can forward the output of a command to the log file. Okay, let's run this script. Before executing this script, you please check I have removing a text file. So you can see here I have created a text file. Now let's check the script. You can see this command is executed, echo welcome to Linux eHub. So here it is showing the welcome to Linux eHub. Then it will go to the remove command. Now check the text file is deleted, and again now check the again it will try to remove the same file, and now execute this command. You can see here it is showing a error because that file is not present. So according to our command, this output should redirect to the script log file. Now check what is. You can see that error is redirected to the script.log file. Okay, so this is the work of a script file and how to define commands line by line command. Now let's talk about the difference between AT and cron tab. To create a task using the AT command will be AT then time. In case of cron tab, it will be cron tab -e. To list a task, we have to use the command AT-L. In case of cron tab, that will be cron tab -L. To see the details of a job, we have to use the command AT-C, then job number. And in case of cron tab, there is no command to see the details of a job because in cron tab we are scheduling the we are scheduling the script file. So directly using the script file we can see the contents of the script. So there is no command to check the details of the cron tab schedule. To remove a job, in case of 80 we have to use the command 80-d then job number. In case of cron tab we have to use the command cron tab-r. To edit a job, in case of 80 there is no command to edit the job, but in case of cron tab we have to use the cron tab-e. We will go through details one by one. First we will check about the 80. Now to install the 80 we have to use the command yum install 80. That means the 80 package is responsible for the 80 command. To schedule a job we have to use the command 80 then time. Now check the current date. You can see the current date and time is 2022 and 17 minutes. So to schedule a 80 job 80 10 18 10:18 then PM. Now it will ask me to schedule a job. I will then Control D to exit from the prompt. So you can see at 10:18 now it is check the current date now. You can see now it is 22:17 and I have scheduled a job at 22:18. Okay. So and the command is the I have scheduled this task only echo hello world to the 80.txt. It will forward at the hello.world to the 80.txt file. So now check the date again. Okay. Now it is already the time is completed. So if you will check the 80 queue, there is no queue job because this job is completed. So now check the 80 text file. What is in that? Cat. You can see hello world. Now it is hello world. That means the job is completed. Again, check the date first. Now it is 18. So we will schedule to 22. 20. 20. Again, echo hello. Now check using ATQ command, we can check the queue jobs. You can see this job is scheduled to 22 then 20 minutes. So now check the date, current date. Now it is 1940. So if we'll check, previously there was hello world in that file. Now it will be changed to hello because I am scheduled to hello. Is it clear, Chinma? Now time completed. Check the queue. You can see no queue is there. That means that job is completed. So now again check. It is you can see now it is hello. So likewise you can schedule a one-time job using the 80 command. So if you want to remove a command, use the command 80-d then job number. You can see when you are using the 80q command, it is showing the job number. Here it is the job number is 7. So using the job number, we can remove a 80 schedule. It is clear to Chinma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we talk about the cron tab. Cron tab uses the 5 stars then command. So 5 stars are first it stands to minute, then hour, then day of month, then month, and day of the week. Then to list a job, we have to use the command cron tab -l. In my case, check. Yes, I have scheduled a job. Here I have used the star by 5. That means you can see first field is minute. That means here I have star by 5. That means every 5 minutes this script will be executed. Then second is the hour, then day of month, and then month of the week. So if you talk about some examples, here you can see execute the task on every Monday at 5 a.m. So every Monday means 0, that is then 5 because the minute then hour. So hour starts from 0 to 23. So in my case, I will schedule a job at 5 a.m. So here 5 I have mentioned for the second star. Then a day of the month means every day, then month means every month, then day of the week you can say it is the Monday. So if we talk about this example, day of the week means 0 to 6 and 0 stands to Sunday. So in case of Monday, we can write here Monday. So this is the schedule to run a job every 5 a.m. every Monday. So if you will execute your script on 3-minute interval, we have to use the command star by 3. So using cron tab -e, we can check the schedule defined in the cron tab. So now I have scheduled the to execute the script file every 5 minutes. So check the commands what I have defined in the script.sh. You can see I have scheduled a array command for the text_txt. So you can see text file is present here. So let's wait for next 5 minutes and check if the text file is deleted or not. And now another is the error should be forwarded to the temp script.log. So now check what is the contents of that script file. You can see here is some contents is there. So now we will clear the contents. You can see no content is there. So let's wait for the next 5 minutes and check if the text file is deleting and the log file will forwarded to the script.log. Edit other users cron tab using the cron tab -u username -e. Using this command, we can edit other users cron tab schedule. To remove your cron tab task, we have to use the command cron tab -r. So now network clients. Network client means wget client. Wget is the command through which we can download packages from the internet. And another is the links command. So using links also, we can check links is the GUI tool. You can see this is the Google page. Now it is showing. To exit from this point, we have to use the Q button and press the yes to exit from the prompt. So links is the GUI tool and crawl is the command tool through which we can check the internet connectivity and browse the websites. Now it is very important. allow authenticated encrypted access to the remote server. You can see these are two servers. If I will connect from this server to the another server, I have to use the command SSH root then server IP 192.168.37.129. Here it will ask me the password. Then now you can see I have connected to the another server. If you will check, now I am in /root. Now check LL. Here you can see test1.txt and user.txt is present there. So you can see test1.txt and user.txt is present there. So using the SSH command, we can connect to the another server and press exit, enter exit to exit from the SSH prompt. Then SCP. Using the SCP command, we can securely file transfer from one server to another server. And the command will be SCP, then file name, then the destination server. Okay. You can see here gg.txt is here, and if I want to transfer the gg.txt to another server, here no gg file is here. You can see I will transfer it using the scp command. Scp gg.t root @192.168 37.129 /ROT root. It will ask me for the password. Now you can see gg.txt is transferred from the source server to the destination server. Then these are the options we can use. P parameters to establish a estimate time and connection, and capital C parameter will compress your file, and -P to preserve the time and permission, R to enable recursion. And these are the options we can use with the SCP command. Now another important tool is rsync. It will efficiently copy file to or from the remote server and uses secure SCP connection. -V for verbose, R for copies data recursively, A to archive mode, H means human readable. My screen is visible, Chinma?
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. So here are some examples to copy or sync files and directory locally. That means it will sync the data from, this is the source, that means /root RPM packages to the /tmp backup. And this is the example where it will sync the root RPM packages to the destination server root @IP then root. So we will take this example. Here we will create a directory mkdir rsync rsync, then cd, touch a.txt, go to another server. There also create a directory mkdir rsync cd rsync. Now you can see here no contents is there, but in my source server there is a. So we will sync between two directories. RSYNC minus AZBH slash root, then rsync, then root at the rate destination server 192.168.37.129, then colon slash root rsync. It will prompt for me with the password. Now supply the password. You can see sending incremental file list a.txt. So a.txt is updated to the destination server. Now check. You can see a.txt is successfully synced from my source to the server destination server. So this command also we can use in the schedule. Okay. Crontab -e here insert to end, add another line, then here star by 5, then star dot star dot star star, then rsync. Every 5 minutes it will sync the slash root rsync directory to the destination server. So this is the example how we can schedule the sync command from my source server to the destination server. So this is the example of rsync command as well as the cron type schedule. You can see using cron type -l, it is showing me the schedules defined in the cron type. Okay. So touch.b.txt. Let's wait for next 5 minutes. B should be synced to the destination server. Is it clear to you?
Sir.
Okay. So FTP client. So LFTP is the client through which we can connect to the FTP server. And the command will be lftp ftp.example.com and lftp -u and geo is the user ftp.example.com.